Ago, alam mo naman, pag rain or shine, talagang tulong-tulong at dalawa nga ang ating best players for this game. Unahin ko na, Jericho Cruz scoring 16 points. Congratulations, Jericho. Ang gusto ni Coach Yeng, matapang, and you showed that you and your teammates, not only on offense, but also on defense.
First of all, yeah, I want to thank God for everything that He's given me again. And I'm just thankful to be playing for Coach Yeng. And our team really works hard just to beat this Ginebra team. And,
Confidence he gives you, say that so much back in hard work, and congratulations. Lipat tayo dito kay Jeff Chan. Jeff, ang hindi alam ng marami, meron kang pamahiin na kapag pumasok yung una mong tira, sunod-sunod na yun. Ganun ba nangyari dito sa laro na to?
Hindi naman. Siguro, mas gusto ko lang tumira kasi last game medyo konti lang yung attempt ko. So ngayon, nakakita ko ng mga spots na libre. Tsaka hindi ko naman pinipilit eh.
Jeff, you gave Ginebra the taste of their own medicine. Yung defense yung ipinakita nila na matindi, ganun din ang pinakita ninyo.
Yes, kailangan namin stop yung dalawang bigs nila. No? So I hope na-contain namin. And tapos yung sa guards naman, sabi ni Coach, dikitan lang namin kasi ayaw namin sila makashoot sa labas.
Pati ni Ronnie ngayon at bukas si Bo, may mga nais ko pa bang batiin?
Siyempre yung family ko, si Donna, wife ko, dalawang kids ko, Mara, Erin, at saka mom ko sa Bacolod, kapatid ko si John. And sa Nike family, thank you. Taga Bacolod, thank you. Yun lang.
Jeff Chan, congratulations.